guys, in this video I will teach you about network problems of all China patterns like Techno or IT and Oking and so on mobiles network issue. We will see about China mobiles network issue. China mobiles if say no service or searching and emergency calls only. If they don't call but saying no service or searching or emergency calls only, if there is no signal, the problem is the network IC issue. So if that mobile has like these problems, we have to change a network IC of that mobile or the Chinese button mobiles, and I will show you the network ICs of Chinese mobiles. Chinese mobiles usually have three main ICs. The biggest one is here. This is the biggest one. It is a CPU or a power IC, and this is the power IC, or it is a CPU. And the second one is the network IC, a REF IC. This is, and the third is charge IC. It is a small IC near the battery connector or in front of it. These are the Chinese button mobiles ICs. Usually we will see these ICs only. So today we will see or we learn about network IC issue. If we have a mobile saying no service or searching or emergency calls only, if it is not working calling, so we have to change a network IC. This is the network IC. If we change it, the problem will be fixed totally. The problem will be fixed totally. Problem will be fixed. So if we have a problem that say no service or searching or emergency calls only, we have to like this one. Here is this phone saying no service. The SIM card inserted, but it say no service and there is no signal here. So if we have some like this problem, we will change network IC only. If we change it, the problem will be fixed totally. So our video about network issue is this.